definitely in this increasing digitized world, wearable technologies, they have taken a lead, a baton in transforming the healthcare industry. While in early days, the wearable technology means watches and glasses, but in this era of technology, due to the advancement in IoT, that is Internet of Things, this has led to development of flexible, stretchable sensors, leading to the increasing smart wearables in the clothing sector also. So right now we have watches, glasses, even the smart t-shirts that can be synchronized, programmed with any device. And these sophisticated smart t-shirt has led to the fabrics that can especially led to the development of sensory functions enabled to the small textile industry. So there is a great transformation from the industry of healthcare, from the sensors communication industry to the textile industry also. So to illustrate it further, I think because we are using the term sensors for this wearable technologies, sensors means acquiring and analyzing the information. And for healthcare industry, we can use the term acquiring and analyzing biometric information such as heart rate or heartbeat or even the blood pressure, like these things that the smart shirt can effectively detect that quantities or parameters and detect the health risk and send data to the smartphones. So there is a very great bridge has been built for the doctor and patient coordination, their interaction. So redefining the doctor-patient interaction is basically lead to this due to the transformation in the wearable technologies. And you know what, these different wearables have been accepted in different domains of medical line. For instance, the wearables can help to address various concerns related to either healthcare cost or maybe help us to solve complexity of many chronic diseases and thereby enhancing the patient satisfaction also. So as we, in terms of technical term, I can say, as mentioned earlier, these wearable technologies, these depend upon diverse type of sensors, but the standard and most common wearable devices are smartwatches and wristbands. They can be also found and utilized in clothing and jewelry also. And these wearables are molded to deliver highly innovative level of tracking, then monitoring and diagnosis of medical treatment. So, many organizations have realized the impact of wearable technologies in the healthcare and utilizing its advantages in the post-pandemic times also. So, with these advanced smartwatches, they are not only used to track the health rate or sleeping pattern, but they also sometimes imbibe with advanced health statistics, because sensors means acquiring data, then analyzing data, and that analysis can be done with the help of stats, and that statistics is now also playing a role in the healthcare industry also. So offer a valuable support to the patients. Even this may lead to the quality of patient care also. But you know, every coin has two sides. So these wearable technologies, they have their own advantages as well as risks. For instance, visiting to hospital will take effort, time, and money for patient's family. It is not only involved the treatment fee, but also a huge amount of consultation fee also. In such cases, the cost of health treatment can be significantly trimmed down by utilizing innovative wearable devices and apps built by the app development agencies, especially for patients with chronic diseases, because they have to record their data like pulse rate, their sugar level, their heartbeat at the constant or regular interval of time. So it by implementing or by using these smart or these wearable technologies, the visit to the hospitals may be cut down. So, and on the other side, when we talk about the risk, there are three major risks for implementing or for using these type of wearable technology. First is the cyber risk, then bodily injury risk, and third is the technology error and omission risk. This may lead lawsuit or may the action for the app developing companies, because if the data transmitted via wearable is not secured, even then they can face the lawsuit. Or if by any chance, due to the malfunctioning of the devices, there may be the injury or illness, or in some of the cases, maybe the fatal consequences may be there. So in that cases, the company may face the product liability lawsuit. And if there is the device, if they are not, there is a failure in the device for the work as they are intended for or purchased for, then the companies may held for liable for the economic loss also. But to summarize these wearable type of IoTs, there are defining doctor-patient interaction, as I have said earlier, the treatment modes, and breaking down the barriers in the delivery of healthcare solutions. Because these smart wearable and technologies or the devices, they are unable to develop IoT-based devices, that is Internet of Things. But because we are using these devices in healthcare sensors, the new term has been arised, that is IOMT, Internet of Medical Things. They have a smoothen, they have very relaxed the life of patient as well as the family of the patient. And because they are able to generate large amount of real-time data, and the three main benefits of using these AI or blockchain smart wearable devices are: number one, the operability, interoperability, then the virtualization, and the third is the real-time data analysis or the real-time reporting, because they are able to provide continuously the patient insight, which will help the doctors to basically to prioritize the operations or the medical treatment basis on the data acquired by these machines, so that they are able to prioritize things which a patient needs more care or more interaction at a particular time. So overall, it is really safe to say the future of healthcare lies in the working hand in hand with IOMT devices, that Internet of Medical Things devices based on the wearable technologies.